If you want to quickly access filters in CapCut on PC, this video will show you exactly where to find them in just a few simple steps. Whether you're editing a short video, a YouTube project, or a social media clip, knowing how to open the filters panel can save you time and help you give your footage a better look fast. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more CapCut tips and editing guides. Alright, let's jump in. First, open CapCut on your PC. Once CapCut launches, wait for the main dashboard to load. From here, you'll want to open the project you want to edit. You can either create a new project or select an existing one from your recent projects. If you already have your timeline set up, just continue into that project so you can work directly on your video. After your project opens, look at the top menu inside CapCut. This is where you'll find several editing categories and tools. Along the top, you should see options for different effects and editing features. To access filters, simply select the filters option from the top menu. Once you click it, the filters panel will open and show you the available styles you can apply to your video. From there, you can browse through the different filter categories, preview how each one looks, and choose the one that best fits your content. Some filters are subtle and natural, while others are bold and dramatic. So take a moment to test a few before deciding. When you find one you like, just apply it to your clip or timeline and continue editing as needed. And that's it. That's how to access filters in CapCut on PC. It's a very quick process once you know where to look. And now you can move faster whenever you want to change the style and mood of your video. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out my other CapCut tutorials for more simple editing tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.